Hey everyone, this is Jamie June over at XOXO Florals&Wine. I have this really awesome special that I am running and I got it up just in time for the holidays. Wanted to share it with you. I'm super excited about it, as you can tell. So what I am doing is I'm having a flower subscription. You can become an XO Club member, and by doing that you would sign up to send someone that you love flowers every month for the next 3 months, 6 months, or even the whole year. What an awesome way to bring fresh flowers into their home, show someone you love them every month, and you sign up to do so, and I'm going to show you how to do that right now. Okay, so you're going to want to get on my website at XOXOFloralsandWine.com. Once you're there, go ahead and scroll down and see all the flowers that I have up on my website. And once you reach the flower subscription, go ahead and click on that photo. Then it's going to take you over to where you can decide which subscription works best for you. The standard is to have flowers sent once a month every 3 months. The deluxe is once a month every 6 months. And the premium is once a month for the whole year. Once you've decided which subscription works for you, then you'll want to click that subscription and then choose the date you would like the flowers to be sent. Once you choose the date, we will send the flowers out on that day. You'll receive a delivery confirmation for it, and then we will proceed with sending flowers out on that same day every month for the next 3 months, 6 months, or the whole year. Once you've clicked on how to proceed, you can add a card message to go along with the flowers that you want sent. All right, that is how you do it. Thanks guys for checking us out. Become an XO Club member today.